I messed that all the way up. Hey YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and welcome to The Vibe. If you're returning, what it do, boo? Welcome back. Let's jump into this video. This video is going to be all about the pros and the cons of corset training. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out the whole playlist. There's going to be at least 3 videos and there's going to be a 7-day challenge. So I would definitely check those out. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Pro number 1, okay? Great for your posture. To this day, like look at me right now. Look at me right now. I'm sitting up. To this day, I still sit up straight because I corset trained for so long. So if you don't want to hump back, okay, by the time you get to 80 years old, get you a corset trainer, do your corset training correctly. And I promise you, girl, you're going to be like, I'm always sitting like this. The second big pro for me is that corset training. So corset training is a more aggressive form of waist training. So if you have a latex waist trainer or something that you use in the gym, this is going to be a little bit more aggressive than that. And because of that, it cinches you so much more. It cinches your hell, I don't even know what this, your dent. It cinches you, it just cinches you so much more at the waistline than a regular waist trainer. And that is a huge pro for me. Moving on to the third thing, the third pro, you will eat less. 9 times out of 10, when you're wearing this garment, I would always say wear it in the morning before you start consuming any type of meals or anything like that, because 9 times out of 10, you're gonna eat a lot less than what you would usually eat, which could ultimately lead to weight loss. That's not to say that you shouldn't be eating now. I can actually eat a little bit larger of a meal once I actually take the garment off. The fourth thing, and I mentioned this a little while ago if you've seen some of my older videos, is that because it does make you sit up, it makes you feel really strong and it makes you feel really empowered and very bold and very queen-like and very womanly. And so because of that, and it's always about how you feel. Anything that you do in life is about how you feel. And when you feel good and you feel strong and you feel empowered, then that is what you are going to radiate into the world. Like, y'all, I be feeling like the bomb diggity bomb, okay? Like, period. I don't care. Those are the pros. Now let's go into some of the cons. So it is very restrictive. There is no moving to the left, moving to the right. You have to turn your entire body to the left. Well, not your entire body, but you have to be more conscious about how you're turning your body, because it does hold your torso in a steady up and down, and that can be bothersome. That is one of the biggest cons, hands down. Just something for you to be aware of. Another con is that it can be really tiring on your body. And by that, I mean that your muscles are not used to sitting up in such a fashion. So you can feel like your muscles may be tense, they may be tight because they're not used to sitting up that way. So the third con that I have is that it can look kind of bunchy, okay? And by that I mean, like, and I will try and insert some pictures, but it can look a little bunchy, like throw you on a hoodie, girl, okay? Don't be trying to wear no tight dress. It's gonna be noticeable. Okay, like just don't do it, okay? So I would recommend wearing a hoodie, wearing something that's loose fitting. You can definitely still wear your jeans and things like that, but do understand that it is going to look a little bunchy when you turn to the side. It might look a little big, you know what I'm saying, like bulky kind of looking. So just keep that in mind when you are wearing your garment. That is it for the pros and the cons of waist training. I hope that it is giving you some great information and that it's helping you to decide what you want to do, if you want to waist train, if you don't. As always, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to The Vibe, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.